Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk Glowplugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. To do this, we recommend that you watch the video, How to Replace the Car Battery Octavia 3 1.6 TDI. Take off the engine cover. You can now see the location of the 4 glow plugs. Use flat nose pliers to disconnect the suppressor from the glow plug. It is important to know that glow plugs are extremely fragile, and as a result, they often break during disassemble, particularly when they have never been changed before. If they break, you will have a problem since their end remains stuck in the cylinder head. If you decide to change them, we have several tips to maximize your chances of success. Several days before carrying out the operation, apply penetrating oil to the bottom of the glow plugs. Remove the plugs when the engine is still warm and apply cold spray to constrict the plug and hopefully unstick it. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, slowly unscrew the plug.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Complete the removal using pliers since the access point is very narrow. You can find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and linked in the description. Get the new glow plug. Before installing the new glow plug, clean around it again. It is advisable to connect a vacuum cleaner to a small plastic suction tube in order to remove as much of the deposit as possible. Put the new plug in place and check the box for the recommended tightening torque. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Reinstall the noise suppressor. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.